All right, still on page 526, and let's go over the last problem from the textbook, and then we'll start on the homework. The data set shows the number of soccer goals scored by players in 3 games. So player A, there's their data, player B, how many goals, and player C, how many goals. Choose yes or no to indicate whether the statement is correct. The mean absolute deviation of player A is 1. Well, let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there were 3 games. So the mean, yeah. Let's see. Denominator into the numerator. Add a decimal, add a 0. 3 goes into 10 3 times. That's going to repeat. So it's 1.33 repeating. And then if that's our mean, say this is 0, 1, right in the middle, and 2, and the mean is the mean is 1.33. Well, 1 would be 0.33 away from the mean. 2 would be 0.67 away from the mean, and 1 would be another 0.33 away from the mean. So none of those is 1. So already, even without doing the math, I can see that no, it's definitely not going to be 1, because none of my points are 1 away from the mean for player A. Okay, the mean absolute deviation for player B is 0. Well, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, divided by 3 is 2, so the mean is 2, and all the points would be right on 2, so they would all be 0, so yes, that is true. The mean absolute deviation for player C is greater than the mean absolute deviation for player A. So we know the mean absolute deviation for player A was less than 1. For player C, 3, it's going to be 0. But it was also player A. Let's see. For player A, it was greater than 0, though. So it is going to be the mean absolute deviation for player C is greater . Let me see this. Player C is greater than the mean absolute deviation for player A. Let's check that player A again. What was it? 0.33, 0.67, and another 0.67? No, another 0.33. The mean absolute first. That's going to be. Oh, it's not Mr. Music. That's right. So for player C, let's go ahead and do it. Always do the work, Mr. Music. Trying to be like it. So 3, 2, 1. The average is 2, so that's 1 away, 0, 2 away, so a total of 3, which means the mean absolute deviation for player C is going to be 1, and for player A, it's going to be less than 1. So yes, it is greater. Mr. Music, take your time, do the work. Lesson learned. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.